Hey everyone! What's going on today? In this tutorial, we are going to create this. Let's see the preview. So let's get started. Open Alight Motion and create new project. Let's call it Fake Camera Movement. Now import your video file into your project. First of all, let's add a keyframe 0.0 to 15.00. Then adjust the scale and change the scale value to 3000. And now adjust the video file like this. Okay, cool, let's add camera rotation effect. So add keyframe same as the scale. Now change the rotation keyframe value to 20 and go to the last keyframe as 0. Now add effects. So let's go to the effects. Select Distortion /warp, and select Tiles Effect, and turn on Mirror option, and here our project is complete. Now export our project. Okay, let's see the preview. Have a good day.